Architect Achyut Kanvinde, the first Indian architect. Starting with the introduction, Achyut Kanvinde might not actually be the very first Indian architect, but if we talk about the first Indian architect, it has to be from the post-independence era. Achyut Kanvinde designed many prominent buildings in the country. He designed more than 450 buildings over the 5 decades. Achyut Kanvinde became the pioneer of modern Indian architecture. He worked in the functionalist approaches with the element of brutalist architecture. Next is early life. Achyut Kanvinde was born in the Achara village in Konkan region in Maharashtra in 1916. He was very much influenced by his father who was an art teacher in Mumbai. That's why he wanted to pursue something in arts. That's when he opted for architecture in Sir J.J. School of Arts in Mumbai 1942. He completed his master degree from the Harvard University in 1947. He also worked under the master architect Walter Gropius. Next is after graduation. After graduation, Achyut Kanvinde as an architect, he returned to India. He joined the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, which is CSIR. After that, Kanvinde and his partner Shaukat Rai, a civil engineer, started their own practice. Their firm was named as Kanvinde and Rai. Achyut Kanvinde, with his brilliance in the field of the architecture, started designing buildings. Together they became the perfect combination in the field of architecture in post-independent India. The firm was later renamed Kanvinde Rai and Chaudhary when Morad Chaudhary became partner in firm in 1969. Next is architectural style. Achyut Kanvinde play with the form and the space. This was the design approach. He believed that the space, form and the building should be emerged out of the inside space. Also, he was against the principle of symmetry. Achyut Kanvinde work truly depict his idea of designing with the natural lights. He combined modern architecture with brutalist style. His building follow the prominent principle of brutalist architecture. Simple blocks, exposed concrete, elimination of unnecessary details can be easily seen in his work. He believed brutalist as a child of modern architecture. Kanvinde mastered the cause of the vernacular architecture. Therefore, he designed keeping the local climate in the mind with the local building material. And Kanvinde treated the grid of the column as a sophisticated way and the turn in the structural part into the aesthetic. All the Kanvinde project seems balanced, proportionate, slender and neat. The use of dull and neutral colors can be seen in the most of the Achyut Kanvinde's building. Next is relation between Achyut Kanvinde and Bauhaus of the architecture style. Achyut Kanvinde as an architect was influenced by Bauhaus style of architecture and his work under the Walter Gropius also. Many principles from this style are visible in his work. Some of the Bauhaus principles that can be seen in the Kanvinde's work are asymmetry, cubic shapes, flat roofs, smooth and under-coated surface. He adopted a steel frame and RCC post and slab and exposed material. Next are work of the Achyut Kanvinde. One of the work is ISKCON Temple located in Delhi. The ISKCON Temple, the architecture is very different than other temples. The temple has 3 shikharas and all of which face the different angle. It gives the temple a very unique form. He followed asymmetry in the temple also. Basically, Kanvinde gave a new definition to the temple architecture in India. Next work is the IIT Kanpur. The IIT Kanpur campus reflects the cultural diversity of India, one of the oldest IIT campus. The main focus of the campus is Central Pedestal Island. The island is surrounded by the lush greenery and huge water body. This is unique and well thought campus design is one of the most prominent work by Kanvinde. Next work of the Achyut Kanvinde is a National Science Center in New Delhi. The building gave the completely new look to the cityscape of New Delhi. One of the most iconic features in the grand step at the entrance. The skylights are the dominant feature of the design. The center is the architectural marvel, depict the being a simple and raw. Okay, next are the some work of the Achyut Kanvinde, where National Dairy Development Board office building in the New Delhi, and is the Hariab Das House in Ahmedabad, Dudh Sagar Dairy in Mehsana, and the Institute of Rural Management in Anand. Next is award. Basically, Achyut Kanvinde got many awards. Some of them is the Padma Shri Award, got in the 1970s. Basically, Padma Shri Award is an honorable award in India, and he is the president of IIA in 1974 to 1975. After that, IIA Baburao Mhatre Gold Medal Award in 1985. He got Great Master Award in 1993. Next is conclusion. His work are generally raw and unemotional. He managed to make a design appealing and welcoming. His design were distinct, unique, and having one of the things similar is functionalism. His design appeared to be built with a large amount of thoughts. Thank you.